Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best baby high chairs available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 6 we have Graco High Chair. The Graco Slim Snacker Highchair is the ultra-fast folding high chair with a 1-hand 1-second fold. Once folded it's ultra-compact so it fits in small spaces and is self-standing for easy storage. This slim highchair is a snap to just wipe this seat pad down to keep your child's dining space tidy. It has a large mesh storage basket is perfect for storing extra bibs and wipes. And a full-size cup holder keeps their cup in place. The 3-position reclining seat footrest and seat pad keep your child comfy during meals and snacks. This ultra-slim folding high chair is designed to fit in compact spaces. At number 5 we have Fisher-Price High Chair. It comes with the Fisher-Price Space Saver High Chair. You get everything you love from a full-size high chair but in a portable size. That fits easily on most dining and restaurant chairs. It has 2 height adjustments and 3 recline positions to keep your baby comfortable. And you can transform it into a toddler booster when your little one is ready. And keeping this high chair clean is super easy too. The deep dish design helps keep your little one from pushing food off the tray. And the spill-resistant seat pad and harness are machine washable. This high chairs help babies build confidence as they learn to feed themselves and participate in mealtime. At number 4 we have Graco High Chair. The Blossom 6-in-1 high chair transforms seamlessly from an infant high chair to a traditional baby high chair. Also an infant booster, a toddler booster and finally a youth chair. The 6 height adjustments provide the perfect fit for baby at the table. The 3-position removable footrest and 3 recline positions will ensure your growing child stays comfortable at mealtime. This portable high chair features a premium leatherette seat pad that is both wipeable and machine washable for easy cleanup and comfort. The removable seat back insert helps position your growing child at the table and can be used interchangeably with the toddler booster or youth chair. At number 3 we have Baby Trend High Chair. The Baby Trend Sit Right High Chair in bobbleheads has a playful design printed on soft fabric with distinctive colors. This high chair ensures safety, ease of use and convenience. It is as your little one starts to experience different tastes, flavors and textures. Your baby will be safe and comfortable during mealtimes with this durable and sturdy steel frame and you will have peace of mind. This Sit Right High Chair is easy to clean and has a tray insert that is dishwasher safe. Plus it offers 3 positions and 1-hand operation. At number 2 we have Ingenuity High Chair. The Smart Clean Trio Elite 3-in-1 high chair easily adjusts from full size. The high chair is to a booster seat to a toddler chair to keep up with your growing baby. The chair wipes clean instantly and is dishwasher safe. So you can slow down the clock by spending less time on kitchen cleanup and more time with your family. The dishwasher safe Easy Clean tray also features 4 locking positions to grow with your baby. And as your family expands it can too. When used as a booster and toddler chair it can seat 2 children at the same time. At number 1 we have Tech High Chair. This high chair is as beautiful and tastefully designed as it is safe and easy to use. All materials are safe and non-toxic. It comes in contemporary colors to fit perfectly in your kitchen or home decoration. It's been designed to fit a variety of tables from dining room tables to kitchen countertops. The chair is specially constructed that no matter how active your child is, it will not tip over or move from its position. This 5-point harness keep your baby safe in place which can be easily adjusted as your child grows. Removable available. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best baby high chairs for your need.